Hello guys, welcome back to Honest Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of this electric arc barbecue lighter which I've obtained from AliExpress. Can be recharged with the USB Type-C cable, and what we're going to be doing the quality review. We're going to see how good it is. The only thing is the packaging does look a little bit bent from shipping. USB cable appears a little bit bent, but hopefully it should still work. I got literally a bargain from AliExpress. It's literally £2 on AliExpress. So let's see what we get. So we'll reveal this paper. So obviously it says right here, instructions. It shows you how it lights it and tells you the warning, do not hurt or burn this project with sharp objects. It's got a safe lock, and over here it tells you to not place it in the sun. This is also 3000 milliamp hours. So yeah, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna see how it performs. So this is the lighter itself, as you can see. Made out of plastic, got a USB Type-C port, got the switch over here, and it bends like this, and that's pretty much it. So then we've got the Type-C charging cable, and the only thing with this charging cable, it kind of does look cheap, to be honest. Well, I got it for a bargain, literally only £1, so that is as expected. And yeah, the USB-C cable is alright, it's not bent, but it does look like it's made of a cheap cable. So let's see how to use it. So over here it says you should connect the charger first. I want to see if there's any charge out of the box, so we're gonna see if it actually turns on without any charger. So of course you shouldn't overcharge it, and it tells you how to use it. So it says it will turn off after 7 seconds to avoid damage, so that's to prevent it from overheating. And I think the safe lock is to stop it from turning on accidentally. So if you put the safe lock on, we can't turn it on when the safe lock is off. When you do this, we can turn it on. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the arc that it actually creates, which is actually really interesting. It creates a really high pitched sound. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my mic near it. After about 7 seconds, it did turn off automatically, which is a safety feature. So yeah, that's literally how it creates an arc. So yeah, really interesting little device. So it's literally a bargain, and it does really work well. And obviously there's the safe lock, so you can't turn it on now, but only when you press this up, then you can just turn it on. So I've actually already got a fire starter kind of thing from AliExpress already, but this wasn't really that good. It did light up, but it wasn't hot enough to actually create a fire. So it was didn't really work well. It's not battery powered, but it connects directly to your device. But this is battery powered, so you can just charge it with the power bank and just start any fire, which is actually really interesting. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if we can actually start a fire in a fireplace with this lighter. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got the fireplace ready. I'm going to try and light the fire using various methods. I'm going to try and focus on here. So this is the lighter, as you can see. It's actually crazy, it's got an arc. And what I'm going to try first, I'm going to try a piece of paper. I've got a piece of paper over here, and we're going to try and light this piece of paper right now. And as you can see, it works really effectively, unlike the other fire starter I had before. So I didn't restart it completely, but because I wanted to do the other tests. So what I'm going to do now, over here I've got some lint, and I'm going to try and light it like this. So we're going to put the plasma arc right in here. And look at that, it lights really effectively. And we're going to try and light up this lint. I mean, the lint's not as flammable. As you can see, we've got it lit, which is actually amazing. So we're able to light up pretty much anything and start a little fire. And it's actually quite easy to do so. Look at that. We've got a proper fire going. Look at that, that's actually amazing. Unlike the other test, this one's actually, it burns hotter and it allows you to easily just make a fire, which is really convenient. It's a really convenient lighter. You don't need any butane or extra butane and worrying about it running out, because this will last. When the battery dies, you can just easily just charge it and you just get a fire going so easily. And yeah, it's burning pretty well. I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, this is the fire. I'm going to get some slow-mo shots of the fire and the plasma arc. The good thing about lints from dryers is that not only is it lasts for a long time, it's quite flammable. Of course, it wasn't as flammable as paper, but it is flammable enough. And it lasts for quite a long time. It's able to like burn for quite a while. So, because it's really dry and flammable, so yeah, it's just smoke and smouldering now. So, one thing I've noticed, it won't light this little piece of lint that I found. So this is a lint from a dryer. It's not really good to breathe in, but it's going up in the chimney, so it should be alright. But it doesn't really light if I'm lighting it directly, but it lights paper really easily. So I've got paper right over here. We're just going to put paper right here. I'm going to light the paper, and look, the paper lights much easier, as you can see. And it burns easier as well, and it's able to easily light I was able to keep it lit as well. So yeah, I'm going to say this is a really good little lighter. It's literally for a bargain, only £1. It's rechargeable, 3000 milliamp hours, and yeah, it's a really strong lighter. Like, you can see a little bit of leftovers in there. So as you can see, there was probably a bit of lint, or there was probably a bit of paper or ash or soot inside of this, so that's probably why it lit orange for a little while. It should burn away, so as you can see, it shouldn't be that much of an issue. And yes, I mean, it is made of plastic, but it's actually really strong. It gets hot enough to light fires, and yeah, you should definitely get this one, the one that lights using plasma arcs. So yeah, I'm going to end this unboxing and review of this plasma arc lighter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.